Customers want to decide with confidence. Your team needs to install your product flawlessly. Specialized videos from ievolve.media can help you to do both. From gaining a competitive edge to training proficient installation experts, videos from ievolve are changing the way construction companies sell their products and train their staff. With custom videos of your products in action, your clients and tradespeople can watch, pause, and rewatch to gain familiarity and trust in your product. ievolve's innovative production process ensures your videos demonstrate your value to your clients so you can both thrive. You will also have quality training videos for your installers that will be relevant for years. Plus, our production system is modular, making it easy to update your videos as your product evolves. Soon, you'll be getting messages like the one Superform ICF received from an architect. Your training videos are awesome. They answered almost all of my questions about ICF. We start with a strategy session to understand what you need. Then we guide our clients in mapping their processes to produce and edit videos that drive business growth. You'll have your company's processes captured within effective, easy-to-follow video that train your clients, installers, and staff. You'll save time and money by eliminating standard questions or addressing repairs from faulty installations. Book a free 30-minute consultation today at ievolve.media to see how easy it is to create a custom video series for your company.